solid concrete letter with the size. I made my own version because it's very easy. Can you see this is all you need to move? The step, the thickness of the ramp, numbers of steps first ramp, numbers of steps in second ramp, the full A of the star. This is the A of the floor to floor, the history to history, floor to floor. This is the Y, and this is the suggest rise for each one. Okay, and like you know, this is texture, colors in 2D and lines in 2D and fill. Okay, that's, you don't need more. First, let me show you one. I have this simple house with 2 stories, one here, second here. Okay, and suppose this will be the space for the stair. Okay, let me first put one here at the stair. This is the stair. You have the numbers. Okay, and maybe you ask why I made a stair if Archicad had many stairs. Well, let me show you. My stair, for me, this is for me. I developed this for use for me. It's very simple. It's very simple, very clean, and very fast to draw. And when you need to put many stairs, it doesn't go slow. Okay, let me show you. In this place, you can change the landing. You can change the numbers of steps. You can put 1. And for me, the important is that this look in the down, something like this, because this is that I will say that I will give to the people, the constructor, exactly like I want. And the second one must be something like this. And you see, it's very simple. And I can put 3. Why I say 3? And that's mean 4 steps. Okay, see how it works. And I make a program to put, this is 4. You see how it works? 1 2 3 4 5 steps, and all they are in the same point, and the stair is with no gap here. That sometimes is impossible in Archicad, or very confused to do it. And the last one is this. That's it. I want they construct this stair exactly like I made the drawing, and I can see it very clear. Okay, so how you move the parameters? Very easy. I will go back to 2 dimensions. You move here the size, and you move here this place exactly here, and here you will change the step. You see, and you don't need to care about many information. The only information that you give is this is the full size, including the last one here that it doesn't exist, but you need to consider this space, and that's it. This will be the result for each rise. Like you can see, is very low, so what you need to do, maybe remove 2 steps here, maybe remove 3 steps here, and that's it. It's the way. Okay, let me do something else. Or you can change this here. Now it's too big. Let me add one more. It's good. That's a good dimension in mirrors. And when you put the stair in the drawing, you will use this side because it never moved. What increase the size is this and this size. Let me show you. If I put right here, like maybe, I don't know, maybe like 15 steps, will be something like this. And maybe in the other, let me move up. Sorry, will be something like that. Okay. If you want more on the other side, maybe 10. What is happening here? Like you can see, it always respects the dimension that I give right here. If I say 4 meters, they never will change. It doesn't matter if you put more steep here or less steep here or here, the size, the height will be always the same, because sometimes it's very confused when you move something and everything moves. So I decide to change. You can see I will put only 10, maybe only 9, and 9 here. That's it. I got my 4 meters of height. I know how many steps, including this, and this here. I got it. I have my ladder. Okay. Okay. Let's see working in my small house that I made here. Okay. Well, first I need to put it in plan view, and I will use this point, and let me rotate 90 degrees. Oh, sorry, it's less. And I got it. So I will put exactly here. The stair will start here and finish on this side. And then let's start adjust. Okay, I only have like 1/8 meter. This mean will be 90, but it's very far, more than I need, and I will have problems with this door. Let me show you 3D. Okay, and when I check it, it says I only need to put 280 meters, so I need to change this to that to reach the next level. Okay, that's it. I got it. Okay, the level is okay, but the problem, let me see. It's I have something. Sometimes I have this problem. An extra dimension. Okay, I got it. I got the right size, but not the right length. I have made some change. For example, I can reduce this maybe to 1 meter, and I can change maybe the size of the steps. There are 30 centimeters. I can put 28 centimeters. Yeah, it's almost there. I got it, but it's not yet. Let me show you why. If I made this something like move here to this place, let me go to plan view and to the another level. Okay, let me assume that I can see in both stories. Okay, I got it. Well, you can see this could be maybe this. I can say it's okay, finish it. No, but no yet. Why? Because I have a door down here to the WC, so I need to move. Maybe I need to add some steps exactly here. You see, I can change the door here, but supposedly I cannot do that because I am using that space for the couch. So that's why my door, I made this intentionally for this example, of course. My door must be here always. Okay, so I go here and change it. Then I can add maybe like two divisions, and it's not too bad, but not enough. And of course, what happened I have the same size here and same size here and another two. Well, that happen is the rise is very low. What I need to do, I need to remove maybe like two, maybe three, or even four, the ones that I have here. That's it, I got it. Let's check again the door. No, not yet. We got a little car here. Could be there, but not yet. Okay, so let's add a new more step here. Maybe three, something like this. So, of course, it's working. You see, my high is very right. But let me just use it. Okay. Right here. And I need to, let me check here. Maybe I don't want here. Oh, let me add another step. Maybe four. And remove another here. Only three at the top. And then go to 3D. And that's it, I got it. I have a dimension that is this thickness. Maybe I can change. This is one of the ramp. Maybe I can put like I don't know, maybe 5. I know it's not real. I just want to try something different. I want that you see how can I move all parameters. And of course in the top I will move it right here. That's it. That's my concrete ladder with very small parameters, not too many, and very easy to personalize. Nothing special. Thanks for watching.